Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Alright, so today I want to teach you a very nice 3-6-2-5 chord voicing. Okay, so I'll be in the key of F sharp. It goes like this. So I remind myself to get Johnson keys, right? If you've not subscribed to this channel, please click the button and subscribe right away. And don't forget to share these videos with your friend. So the voices will go like this. Let's do this song. Excellent. So look at the bass line. Excellent. So that's the root 3-6-2-5. That's a B flat, E flat, A flat, and then C sharp. So what are the voices I want to show you? My voices goes like this for this course. For this lesson, it goes then so it goes excellent is your name, then oh Lord, right, or then. So what are the chords I'm playing? I'm going to show you very fast, but then if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, it's a special course. It's not uploaded on this channel. It's a special course where I taught a lot of stuff ranging from 9th, 7th chord types and the applications, drop tools, rootless and rooted and rootless voices, short voices, harmonization and reharmonization, passing chords, introduction to upper structures, tritones. I mean, I taught a lot, over 2 hours course, special course. You see my fingers, you see everything, and it's actually the course. It's actually pre-recorded, so you buy the video. It's already a video, so it's 7,500 for people in Nigeria and then $12 for people abroad. If you've not gotten your copy, click the link in the description of this video to do so. You see a pay stack link on the description, so you should do so, or you can chat me up on WhatsApp to buy directly from me. All right. So I'll just show you should write now, because I noticed some people are fond of saying you are too fast. And I'm saying to those people also that they don't write. These are not movies. So this is a time to get the part we are entering now. Is a time for you to get your paper and pen and write as I'm calling out the notes. God bless you. So the first chord, I already taught the progression before. You can watch the video from the beginning if you missed that. So the first chord, on the left hand we have a B flat, B flat, F and A flat. So B flat, F and A flat, that's on the left. On the right we have a C, E flat, G and B flat. So that's the first chord. So that's for your 3. Excellent. So that's the first chord you make. So excellent. Then a rootless 6 voicing. The next chord, that's your 6. So on the left you have a tritone, which is a G and C sharp. On the right we have a F sharp, B and E flat. You can add the F sharp on the top. Then to the 2 chord. On the left you have a flat, E flat and F sharp. A flat, E flat and F sharp. You can see that. On the right, we have a C, F sharp, and B flat. So that's the 2 chord. Then the 5 chord. On the left, this is like a tension. So I'm going to do tension, release. So on the tension on the 5, we have a C sharp and F sharp on the left. On the right, we have a B major, B, E flat, F sharp, B. That's the tension. Then the release. For the release, we have a C sharp and E, Sorry, C sharp and F, that's a diatone on the left hand. So on the right we have a B. What is this called again? Okay, we have a B. We have a B. We have a C sharp. We have a F, and then we have a A flat. So then you can continue, right? So if you want to learn more, click the link in the description below to get my intermediate piano course and learn the right way. Learn. We have actually given a lot of secrets and a lot of interesting passages and explanations, applications also. So make sure you get the course. It's for everybody. Please get it, and God bless you. Bye.